Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Kaz over at Flair Auto Group, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day so far. Here we got a 2020 Hyundai Elantra. I just wanted to do a quick startup of the vehicle. 87,000 miles. It has a green title, and you guys can definitely check out the Carfax report free of charge to you on our website. And if you guys have any additional questions outside of what the video covered, please do not hesitate to reach out, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Should probably point this out. This is probably the biggest flaw in the vehicle you can find. But I've been driving it for about a week now, and I'm telling you, the amount of money you save on gas, or the amount of times you don't have to stop and get gas, and the overall ownership experience has been very pleasant. So you don't even think about that. But if you guys have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out at all. So it's a very economically built vehicle with just the right amount of technology to take care of your day-to-day needs. Trunk space is plenty for its size. It's got a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, front wheel drive. Gray cloth interior. Very simple, nice and clean in design. Often a great choice for first-time buyers, or if you have limited availability and you want something reliable, cars like this can definitely pop up as one of the top choices in the market. Sorry, the lighting's a little bit difficult, but it kind of gives you an overall view. You also get lane keep assist, which is a little bit more advanced safety feature that came with the vehicle. Now, you got a good old key cylinder, so we'll insert the key in. 87,725. It's a relatively quiet motor, easy to drive. And I believe you get 30 miles per gallon in the city and 40 highway. Folks, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you have any more questions about it, do not hesitate to reach out and we'll get you taken care of. Thank you.